Right, it's about 12 o'clock dinner time, and this is the view out back. There were a ton of chemtrails put out earlier, as I've said a few times, and there's all that white background, all the white crap. There's plenty of planes going over as well. Can hear them, can't see them. Oh, there you have it. Very questionable sky. Right, a quick addition while there's a gap. Over yonder, in the distance, a chem. It's well in the distance. Probably more if the cloud breaks. They've been using frequencies as well, so you just have to see. Back it, and there's the cam. Distant cam. Oh, what a white shade. As the odd bit of blue appears every so often, I see the chems in the background. That one's a bit obscure, if it'll oblige with focus. There's that over there, that's the Pennine route. I just wasn't quick enough for the others. But where there's gaps, a bit of blue sky occasionally. I noticed the chems appeared. The cameras are struggling to focus with the white background, I guess. It's really not helping.